Good morning, my dear students. Look at here. Now you studied how to mark points in the Cartesian line very clearly, but in the previous test paper, so many students didn't understand to mark the points in the axis. The position of the point on an axis is not clear. So look once again here. 5, 0. You mark the point 5, 0. 5 is here, 0 is. You remember that. If the y coordinate is 0, it lies on the x-axis. And if this number is positive, it is on positive x-axis. The position is positive x-axis. That's your answer. Not in the first quadrant. You get the difference between first quadrant and positive x-axis. For example, 3, 4. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. This is the point. 3, 4. So 3, 4 is in the first quadrant. X is positive, y is positive, is in the first quadrant. First quadrant, the position of the first quadrant is here. You remember that. And 5, 0 is on positive x-axis, not in the quadrant. Okay. Similarly, minus 4, 0. Minus 4 is here. 0 means if y coordinate is 0, it lies on the x-axis, and if the x coordinate is negative, it is on negative x-axis. The position is negative x-axis. Negative x-axis. You get the idea? Here it is in positive x-axis, here in the negative x-axis. Okay. It is not in the second quadrant. Second quadrant means, for example, minus 3, 5. This is a point minus 3, 5 is in second quadrant. X is negative, y is positive means it is in the second quadrant. X is negative, y equal to 0 means the point lies on the axis. Okay. Once again, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. If y coordinate is 0, then it is in the on the x-axis, and if x coordinate is positive, it is on the positive x-axis. Similarly, here it is negative x-axis. Similarly, 0, 2, look at here, this is in positive y-axis. 0, 2 means it lies on the line, not in the quadrant. 1, 2, 3, 4 are quadrants. Now this is a line. X-axis and y-axis are lines. So 0, 2 lies on positive y-axis and 0, minus 3 lies on negative y-axis. So if the x coordinate is 0, it lies on y-axis. And if the x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is positive, it is on positive y-axis. If x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is negative, it is on negative y-axis. You get the idea? And if you mark a point here, now like this is minus 4, minus 3. That is in third quadrant. Okay. If x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is negative, then it is so third quadrant. Similarly, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is a point on the fourth quadrant. It is fourth quadrant. Okay. So, once again, look at it. Once again, look at it. Now, 5, 0. What is the position of that? X positive, y equal to 0 is in positive x-axis. Clear? And minus 5, 0, x is negative, y is 0, that is negative x-axis. Get the idea? 0, 4 is in positive y-axis. X is equal to 0, y is positive. 0, minus 3 is in negative y-axis. Okay. And some points. We'll look once again some points. 1, 3. X is positive, y is positive, then it is on first quadrant. Minus 3, 4. X is negative, y is positive, is in the second quadrant. minus 3 minus 4, x is negative, y is otherwise abscissa. You remember abscissa? X coordinate is known as abscissa. Abscissa negative, ordinate negative. Then it is in third quadrant. And 4 minus 3, that is x coordinate positive, y coordinate negative. Abscissa positive, ordinate negative is in fourth quadrant. Okay, is it clear? Okay, we look once again and clear the position of the points. Is it all? And once, that is the last question. Look at here. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Look at here. Now, maybe a point is given. It's E. You find the position and what is the coordinate? What are the coordinates of it? So, look at here. Now, if you draw a line parallel to y-axis, it meets at 5, and perpendicular to y-axis, it meets as 3. So, the point is 5, 3. Okay. So, we want to find the position of the points. That is, want to find the coordinates of the point. Here it is 5, 3. Another one is given as like this. The lines are not given, but the position is given as B. Can you say which one is that? X coordinate is here, y coordinate is here. So, x coordinate is minus 2, y coordinate equal to 5. Get the idea? And then one more. Here the dots are not given. X coordinate is here. So, if you draw, it means at negative 4. Y coordinate is here. That is minus 3. So, the point is given, the coordinates are not given. We want to find x coordinate and y coordinate. If you draw a line perpendicular to x axis, it's intersect at minus 4. Okay. Here, if you draw a line parallel to y axis, it's intersect at 5. That is the x coordinate. Other number is the y coordinate. And one more is given like this. Dots are not given. What is the point B? So, x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is here, minus 5. So, y. Do you understand that? Okay. Find the position of the point and find the coordinates of the points. Are you ready? Okay, see you when the chapter is over. Good luck.